Divide 935 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 3 and it is 43. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 5 and it is 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 0. So 935 divided by 5 is 187. So this much for today and thanks for watching.